Hi, I'm going to explain how this rate generator tool works. It is a tool based on Excel and Visual Basic. It is a tool developed specifically for the earth construction field, and it was created with information gathered in the 16 apartments project called Realization that you may check out on my website. I'm going to briefly show you how it works. So first we have the main page where we have all the chapters that we may conform a project, from the preliminary works till the carpentry or finishings, passing by the superstructure, floor and roof, etc. We can see that we have a hierarchy which is conformed like that. We have chapters that are conformed by tasks, tasks that are conformed by subtasks, and sub items that conforms the subtask. We can see this more easily through an example. So we are going to check, for example, the chapter floor and roof. We go to the drop-down list and we see that this chapter floor and roof is conformed by several tasks. These tasks are vaults or domes, floor cement channels, floor and roof, RCC slabs, etc. We are going to see how many kind of vaults we have, and we have three types of vaults. These are subtasks. So we are going to choose this first one, and we can see that this is a CSCV vault, compressed stabilized earth block vault. Now we have gone to the detail page. Don't freak out if you see too much information. On the left side of the page we can see what we are actually interested on, which is the rate. This is the total cost per square meter on floor. Now, with the condition that we have chosen, we have that 1 square meter of vault on floor, the projection, that means it's going to cost us 2,202 rupees square meter on floor. Here on the left side we have the unit cost of the material and the unit cost of the labor. We see that the stabilized earth mortar costs so much per cubic meter, and these are the types of blocks that we are going to employ to build our vault, and they cost so much. We are going to pay 557 rupees a day to a mason, etc. Here we have the units that we are going to need to build our vault with these conditions. We need for 495 span vault, we need 85 blocks of this type, 57 of this type, etc. To build this vault we need 37.5 hours of a mason, same thing of a helper, and half of it for a labor male. So now we have to choose the conditions. We have to choose the type of vault that we are going to execute. If we don't know which one of these three options we have to choose, we can check it here, and we can see the three types of vaults that we may execute. We are going to choose the first one, template and threads to wall. Template and threads to wall. Then we have to say if this vault is going to be used as a floor or as a roof. If we don't know what is that, we can check it here. So we see that if we are going to walk on top of it, it's going to be a floor. So this is going to be a floor, this is going to be a floor, and on top of the building is going to be a roof. So let's say that is going to be floor. Then we have to say the floor level. Again, if we don't know what is that, we will check it here, and we will say this is the first floor, second floor, etc. So now we have chosen that is going to be the first floor, and this is the rate for this condition. If we says that it's going to be the third floor, we see that the rate is changing. It's going to be more expensive to move all the material till the third floor. Then we have to say if it is a single height space or a double height space. Again, if we don't know it, you can see that this is double height space, single height space, and it's costlier to build a double height space because here we need scaffoldings, etc. So now the rate for a single height space is this one. If we choose double height space, it's going to be costlier. Then we can change the span of the wall, the rise of the wall, etc. Whenever we change all this data, we have to update the description, because now we have said that we have a vault from which has threads between two walls. Here it is written that, but actually we said that the type of vault that we were going to build, it was template and threads to wall, and it was a double height space. So here we have to do double click, and then it gets updated. You see template and threads to wall, double height space, and the same thing here. We have to do double click to update it. It's going to be in the third floor, and it's going to be a double height space. This is the short item description. Again, we move down, and we can see the material breakdown. How many blocks we are going to need of each type, how much cement, how much soil, and how much sand. So this is how it works, the rate generator tool. Thanks.